Hey guys, good evening everybody, morning, afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. So today I'll be making my elder sister hair and so this is going to be a very funny video because we had sister playful discussions and at some point we almost fought because she has not been taking good care of her hair. We don't stay together, but for a while she has been around and she's going to be around for a while. And she came back home with this hair. I was not happy at all because it's always you have to do the hair this way, you have to do this way, blah 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 blah. And she actually doesn't even do it. Like you can imagine keeping your hair for more than 1 month and not moisturizing it. But anyways, keep watching and let me know if you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the video. Enjoy.
What happened? I'm back to the person I don't have to make it. God. People frustrated my life. The most annoying one was the woman that made my hair in Lagos that did all back. At some point, I wanted to start crying. And I was with hairspray. I was with deep leave-in conditioner. Well, she was not using it or what? She was using it. She was not combing the hair from the tip. She was combing the hair from the down. She was combing it with aggression.
Oh,
as if I'm doing that.
that's my problem with all these people. That's my problem with all these people doing hair. They don't know how to handle natural hair.
Yeah, I'm like, you may say you're rushing. Why are you rushing to? Already you delayed me, so why now dragging me? I nearly cried that day.
Yeah,
small
belly.
like tears.
You think so?
No,
Are you sure?
it's not worth it now.
Are you sure?
If it's like 20 million naira, I just entered my account now. Hey, money can see my tears. What's here? What's here? Even ring safe. Sorry, can even see my tears. That person go propose to me, I'll come.
Husband that did not plan for you, cry.
Why did I not plan for him?
Because I don't know why you would date someone for that long and
I don't
you will still be
understand.
crying. So
You know, the people that used to cry the most, I just want that they've been dating for like 5 years.
5 years.
You're not
You're not
crying,
finally
like,
cry.
what's making you cry?
Oh my god.
You are more prepared. If it's,
Like-
even, if it's even 1 year or 6 months, I understand the tears. Well, which one?
Thank
be say,
you.
when I
Thank
don't do
you.
For 5 years, can't they cry?
What are you crying
what's
for?
crying you?
What's cryable in the matter?
The one that even used to annoy me the most is they will not enter. They will not want to go back. I'm what's that? Can't collect the ring. Stand up.
Collect
Maybe
the ring and
hug
hug yourself.
yourself.
And please, everybody rest. What's all
Mm.
the when you are busy doing?
Oh,
Please bend your head. They used to bend head in my salon. Thank you.
wow. No small chops.
Small chops. So how much did you pay for the service? You never asked for biscuits. It's small chops and you're like, kilo day. All of her, you're going too far. Start from the very least, since you don't even pay for the service gone safe. Maybe
No
my
water.
subscribers will pay. I can give you pure water. That's the problem.
Let your subscribers pay. Now let them pay us.
Pay us, I will pay for you.
They should pay us like anything they pay is us now.
Which one is us? Us as how? Shame me and you follow get YouTube channel. This one to use your big sister opportunity to collect money, all the old this thing.
No, they're supposed to pay us, so they have to pay the person sitting, the person standing. I don't understand.
Okay. Shey you can hear what this big auntie say.
Please make sure this part enter the video.
Everything you are saying will enter the video, don't worry. Yes, no. Like, make my sisters there while we talk about.
I want to blow. I'm about to blow.
If you want microphone, I can give you microphone.
I want microphone, no.
So your voice
You
can
want
be very
for them, my
audible.
voice. The nations are waiting.
My sister wants to blow with my own channel.
I don't understand. For someone that have 150 followers on TikTok.
It's true. She has a YouTube channel. You guys should follow her. Oops.
Wow. Oh, see the way I just feel like I'm on to sleep. Sleep is already catching us.
The man is not tight, Abby.
Thank God. People go they make my just make me feel like say I be watchman. They attend watchman. Just oh, now it's getting long.
You coming down?
You don't like to celebrate good thing.
Because you're supposed to have been longer than this if you actually did the right thing. So what are we celebrating?
I'm trying to do the right thing. Like
Good.
I'm trying my best.
You are not even trying. You say best.
It's just that my best might not be good enough.
Your there's even best in your there's even best in your matter. You say you are trying. At all. Me and you with this same matter. We'll fight. No matter. I'll fight over the started.
This is why we need 2-bedroom apartment. Just be your own room, I be my own room.
Then we'll be shouting from each other's room,
I
Abby.
know, right?
Oh, Jim.
I need my hair to be very long. Who knows?
Who knows what?
Your product might just get to Thailand.
What if my product gets to Thailand before you get to Thailand?
No!
I don't understand.
Why will your product get to Thailand before I get to Thailand?
You might be very slow to get there.
God forbid that. God forbid that. It's true. They asked me to go and read about Thailand, their living conditions, and that picture is not me. Dinner. I have to go and post. I did not post the rest on my social. It's only my status. I'm going to post shege, and I put caption Adila, the adornment of the Lord. God.
Oh my God. You're something else.
Which music can I use as background song? Give me okay, you are
you are beautiful. You are beautiful. Ruby, I'm mindful. You don't know how beautiful you are.
And I put on that caption for those of you that think you're not fine. Forget about it. You are wonderfully and fearfully made. This post is for you.
This post is dedicated to you.
Why do I feel like that cat is joining to make my hair?
No, it's sitting there. I think it's sleeping or something.
Better sleep. Oh. The only thing you know in this life is just to play, eat, sleep. Now wow.
As it should be. There's
If no
nothing
be
more
say,
to life, actually.
We don't be say animal brain is lower than man brain. And I said, God, why am I not a kitten?
Oh wow. You can be.
A kitten of a rich person, oh, not.
What if you are my own kitten? Did you just indirectly call me poor? You just indirectly called me
I don't understand. Do you want to be making my hair?
You just called me poor without
No, I didn't say
a
anything.
word.
No, but do you want to? Is it my hair you want to be making?
Wow.
And what exactly do you want to
No, it's
do?
fine. It's fine. What about being Victor's kitten? Or Caleb's kitten?
No, Caleb, God forbid.
You don't want to bear my own name, Desire. You mean name this kitten Desire?
Victor be teaching me coding.
That's going to be, you're going to be a smart kitten, you know?
Yeah, I'll be smart.
So, which... You think if you're a kitten, you want to hear the word of the Lord?
You think I'm like this one that is in this house? I want to hear the word of the Lord, though. It has been written in the volume of my books.
That what, no matter who you are,
no matter what I am, who I am,
you are, where
how
you are,
I am, where
you will hear the word of the Lord.
I will hear and I will do the word of the Lord.
Oh God, this conversation is going nowhere. Very weird, unproductive conversation.
I was watching yesterday night. I told you about Angie, something that I said she goes for evangelism to those strange places. One of the places she went with a pastor and their child, their little baby. And when they got there, the people in the land, like people went to visit, give the baby a kitten. Just read the kitten and like talking to them about Christ. And the message is so simple but touching. Even while I was watching it, I was tearing like. And all the cripples that were there stood up and said they want to receive Christ. Like they said they want to receive Christ. You get, and they did not pray for them. Oh, they just stood up and said they want to receive Christ, because the man was like, if you want to receive Christ, stand up and say this prayer after me. All the cripples stood up. Do you understand that kind of miracle? They stood up live.
Without even touching them.
Without praying for them, just because
and...
they want to receive Christ, and Jesus just said to be revealed. And there was an instant miracle when, as they just said to stand up. That's how all of them stood up for real. See, there's power in evangelism. Forget
there is.
Truly, that's scripture that says this signs shall
follow them.
Yes.
In my name.
In my name, you cast out demons. Truly, yes. That it will follow you.
You guys, my sister said she has been trying for her hair, and you guys will agree with me. Detangling this hair was a whole struggle because the hair was dry, but I had to like just be very soft while detangling it so that it doesn't break too much. And she also came back with dandruff on her scalp. Like you can imagine, guys, who keeps the hair for a month without moisturizing it at all? Who does that? My sister, of course. My sister, of course. Anyways, if you are seeing our page for the first time, my page actually, no ours, mine. Do not forget to
Let's see
subscribe.
camera.
Do not forget to leave a comment. Yeah.
Say hi.
So yeah, like I was saying, my sister came with a very dry and hair that was a very dry hair that was really breaking. And the first thing I had to do is to first of all hydrate the hair. I had to make use of just water because that's what you needed at that point. Then I went in with a leave-in conditioner. After using the leave-in conditioner, I made sure to finger detangle. Now, when using your leave-in conditioner, our hair is really full and it shrinks a lot, right? Our hair is like 4C, 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 and it shrinks really, really well. And I had to make sure that I massage the leave-in conditioner into the hair properly and make sure the leave-in conditioner the hair has absorbed it because I am medium porosity head. She is low porosity, her hair is low porosity, so at times it can be a struggle to like taking products, but the leave-in conditioner is really lightweight. It's actually from my hair brand. You can place an order with the phone number on the screen, yeah. And I had to finger detangle each section carefully from tip to root and just make sure every part of the hair is really covered with the conditioner properly before going ahead to part the hair.
Hi.
Again, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Didi and you are welcome to my channel. If I said you weren't welcome before, do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know if you would like me to make any video next in my next video. So yeah, we had to quickly make the second part, and I could not really record too many things we are saying at this point because there were more of personal discussions and plans and whatever. So the funny things can come out here, but there are some things as we all know that possibly would not be able to come out here. And yeah, so again, I detangled our hair with a large tooth comb, and I had to put the hair in the sessions for the cornrows before I go ahead to brush, like to brush the hair. That way there is less breakage, and if you are brushing your hair in smaller sections, you tend to have lesser hair breakage that way because the brush can really detangle them. So I detangle from tip to root, tip to root, tip to root for every section, and I did it carefully. So if you've actually abandoned your hair like my sister did, make sure you hydrate your hair properly. Make sure you go ahead to moisturize your hair with your leave-in conditioner and do not forget to seal in with a butter. Okay, I did not use a butter at this point until I was done with the entire hair. I used oil to seal in because I did not want any form of product buildup on her hair or on her scalp because she, like I said, she came back with dandruff, so we'll have to sort that out.
I'm trying to show them your coily hair. It's so coily.
Please, I'm begging everybody, don't be like my sister. Oh. Don't be like my sister. Oh. Take care of your hair. Don't abandon your hair. Don't leave your hair. Although hers is understandable because there's nobody that is there to like there's no good stylist really. Our own issue mainly is salons and all those drama. Because if you listen to the what we're talking about earlier on from the beginning of the video, you would hear her say like all the salon she has been going through, it has been bad. They're always detangling her hair in a very terrible way and whatnot. So I think that was her major problem.
We have one left. Say one. He has broken the gate of brass and torn the cross of iron asunder. He has broken the gate of brass. See this one. They're looking for trouble. Cross of iron asunder. Clothes are sharp now. It's not until you bring out blood from my body that you'll be fine.
Anyway, guys, if you got to this part of this video, thank you so much. Do not forget to leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching from, and let me know if you'd like us to make any other video again. If you'd like to see my sister at all, let me know. Anyways, thank you so much again. Do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment. And yeah, we're practically done with the hair, and then the next thing I did was to make use of our anti-dandruff and anti-itching scalp mist. I made use of this on our scalp. It's not for the hair but directed to the scalp. And subsequently we'll be making use of scalp scrub and scalp mask for the dandruff issue, and I'm going to update you guys later on how far we've come. The next thing I did was to oil our scalp, and yes, this was very much needed. It also has tea tree in it and peppermint, which can also help.
So cooling.
So thank you so much for staying and watching our video, guys. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you in my next video. Do not forget to shop our products by sending a WhatsApp message to the number on your screen. And make sure you always moisturize your hair. It's very important. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Say bye. My subscribers and my followers. Follow our channel. Patronize us. I am not ready to say again. Never. Guys, bye. Take